Hi all, welcome to Happy to Share channel in another video for propagation of pennywort. Pennywort is a plant which can grow either in water or in soil. Even it can grow in moist water as well, and it is very easy to propagate. So today I will show you how to propagate pennywort plant, and this is just the first part. After 2 weeks I will show you the result. Okay, so stay tuned for the video. First, let me take out the plant and show you how to take a small cutting. We can grow this plant from very small cutting as well. It doesn't need to cut the entire plant for the cutting or for the propagation. And this entire bunch of the plants have been growing from 3 to 4 very small stems. I will show you today how we can do that. Okay. Let me select one node. So node is basically the part of the plant from where the roots are getting generated. I will show you. So if you just take one plant, then you can find that there are areas of the plant from where there are number of roots getting generated. So take a cut around that. You don't need to take very long cuts. You can take 3 to 4 inches long cut both side of the node. Okay. First let me take the cut and then I will show you the sample. So this is the node, and as I said, it's only 3 to 4 inches I have taken from the both side of the node. So the entire plant is intact there, and this is a very small cutting which I have taken for propagation. So I will be using a waste container. When I say waste container, it's a container which we did not pay a single penny to buy this. Using this container, actually we bought few fruits, so this came along with that. So today I will show you how to use these waste materials. Otherwise we would have just thrown it away to dustbins. So let's utilize this as well at the time of this propagation. Let me take another small cutting so that I can have 2 cuttings and I can show you the result in a better way after 15 days. You need to take the cutting a bit carefully, otherwise all the other stems of the plant will get cut. Let me take the mother plant and keep it in its original place. We will not disturb it anymore, and then we will just see how we can grow the cutting. just the sand whatever we get it, but please keep in mind, if it is construction sand, then before just adding or mixing it to the soil, please avoid mixing the stones. There is no need to give lot of soil. We can just give just enough soil, and on top of this we will add water. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we can grow this plant both in soil and in water. So if you don't put soil, only water, then also you can grow this plant. And in my aquarium also I have used this plant as aquatic. Just gently push the nodes of the plant so that it will get at least 2 to 3 inches deep into the soil. You don't need to push it hard, just keep it as it is, and then we will just add water on top of it and keep it aside for next 15 days. I'm just adding normal tap water, so this is the water whatever we are getting from the corporation. If you all like our effort on propagating this plant, and if you have learned something new today, please like and subscribe our channel. Also please press the bell icon. As you all can see, we have already kept it in the balcony. That's all for now, friends. Thank you.